Hello guys, this is Yogesh and I am making this video after a very long time. I hope you can see me because it's quite bright outside, so I have to adjust some brightness on my camera. Alright, the content part is more important, so you just listen. So I really took this content, this topic seriously, and I thought like I should share with you guys too. So without getting delayed, let's start the video. So before starting the video, let's just discuss like what is the purpose of this whole video. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to make our generation understand that how spending money wisely and productively really plays an important role in our life. So if you guys are expecting that this video is going to be into investment thing, like investment in stock market maybe, so uh, I would like to tell you like this video is not going to be like that. So you can actually just go to other channels on YouTube. There are so many valuable videos over there. So particularly this video is not going to be like that. Okay. So okay, let's get back to the content part again. You guys are going to learn two things over here: that how much importance should given to money, and second is that exactly when one should not think too much before giving it away. Let's start from the very scratch. Mentality, thinking, perception. So what kind of perception do we have? What kind of thinking do we have about money? जितना आ जाए उतना बढ़िया, या जितना आ जाए उतना कम, कुछ ऐसा ही है ना? Guys, don't you think like this kind of thinking, this kind of mentality is going to lead you towards what? Towards a chase that never ends. The satisfaction that we are expecting by that is never going to end. Now, by all that, you must be having some questions, and one of them is, do billionaires also fall into this chase? I was having that question after doing all this research. So let me tell you, I have researched them. I have researched top 10 billionaires of the whole world and realized one thing. I actually have realized before also, but after studying them, I realized one more thing, and that is simplicity. They actually want to do simple things. They actually want to do the same thing that they used to do when they were not very rich. They still like doing all that. They still drive their own car. They still wash their dishes. They still do all that stuff manually. So why do they do that? Some of them are still living in the same house where they used to live when they were not very rich. Why do they do that? What is the reason? That is the difference. This really makes the statement very true, and the statement is, the more you give, the more you get. This is the nature, and the question actually, the answer actually lies here, that this giving nature of them actually make them what they are. They are more focused towards giving, then only they can expect some amount of money, and the some amount you already know that how much amount they have. So one should focus on the deeds, not on the money. Money is just a result, and they also took it as a result only. Everybody think of getting rich, but they are too much focusing on money first, not the deeds, like what they should do to get that. So what makes the difference over here? It is the intention, it is thinking, it is the perception that differs, and they are much focused to giving first, not the result. So this thinking actually makes the difference. This intention actually makes the difference. So let me tell you my own perception on this, that how this kind of thinking, like पैसा जितना आ जाए उतना कम है, या जितना आ जाए उतना अच्छा, तो how this kind of mentality going to affect you? पैसों में सोचना इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग, बट पैसों को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देना that you are ignoring everything, that is something going to trouble you, that really make you greedy person and selfish person. So if I talk about two human beings, one is having good amount of money and other is having very little or maybe nothing, so you're gonna find same kind of characteristics and behavioral aspects. They must be having greedy and selfish nature. That means that depends on, of course, on the mentality. You may going to find greedy and selfish nature. You may going to find a thinking kind like they are nothing without money, and they have a fear of losing all that whatever they have. So what is the difference over here? The intention, thinking, mentality and perception about money. That is the so guys, keeping money aside, learn that how money actually work, and keep yourself, keep your intentions, keep your thinking so much straight, so much clear, that because this is a journey, not a one time thing. You can't think of a result without doing anything. This is a journey. You have to go that way first. You have to live that way first. It's the intention, it is the thinking that makes the difference. So keep it clear. You guys must be thinking that whatever I am telling doesn't work in a practical world. But guys, let me tell you, it actually do. The things may take time sometimes, but it actually do, and more important is that it is going to give you a peace of mind, because you are clear. No doubt, money has power now, and accepting that fact is not wrong, it is actually right. But the person who take money as the only power is actually wrong. That thought is actually wrong. Adding on to that, let me give you an bonus advice. This situation, this pandemic situation, gave us a very good opportunity to learn about ourselves, to learn things, to learn skills. Find yourself, find your purpose. This is the best time you can have. It is almost about 8 months now, 8 or 9 months now, and try to work on yourself. It is really good time. Find yourself, find your purpose that makes you happy, and money is just in result. Take that it is. Try hit and try method. I always do that. If you really desire of doing something in your life, if you really desire that you want to do something that you really want to, then try that method. and that how learning is going to come. You are not born perfect. You have to be, you have to practice things regularly, and you are going to hit the wall every time, and you're going to learn by that. You're going to find all those things that is required. You're going to do all the stuff that are required to do all that thing, and you will find the way, and you are going to hit the wall again, and you are going to do the same thing again. Try that method. I always do that. Okay, so last thing in the video is that I'm sharing you one link, and that is you are going to find in the description box. I really want you guys to watch that video. That is the most favorite video of mine as well. Means if you already have watched that video, then I insist you to watch it again. That video will tell you that what I am really trying to say over here, and it will tell you that you don't have to be too strong or too rich to do something good. So guys, we are at the end of the video now, and if in case I really gave you something good, if you really think that way, then do appreciate me by hitting the like button. And if you want this kind of content by me regularly, then do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon, by the way. Okay, and that was all my perception, and I would appreciate to have your point of view on all this. So you can comment me on the comment box. All right, keep inspiring, keep exploring, keep learning, and guys, life is easy. Don't make it hard. All right, great day. Bye bye.